Belly fat can be infuriating. But the good thing to know is that there are plenty of ways to get rid of it. You would be happy to know that there's another effective step just before you go to sleep. Drink these amazing concoctions before going to bed and watch your belly fat melt away. By drinking just 1 glass of this juice before bed, you will lower your fat levels, especially your belly fat. If you drink it every night, and after waking up you do some cardio workouts for about 30 minutes, you will see it get better in just a few days. It's not unusual for fat to form while you're sleeping. Why? Because when you go to sleep, your body doesn't break down materials as fast. The ingredients in this drink will help your body break down materials faster, so that it will continue burning fat while you sleep. How is this possible? Because the ingredients in this drink are all shown to speed up the metabolism, so when you drink it before you go to bed, your body keeps breaking things down quickly. Cucumbers are very good for fighting fat. They are an important part of any weight loss plan. 1 full cucumber has just 45 calories and they are full of fiber and water, 2 things that are important for burning fat. Plus, they are very cooling, and give this drink a great taste. Parsley and cilantro are very low in calories, and they are both full of antioxidants, as well as vitamins and minerals that are very good for easing water that's stored up. Therefore, they are good for flattening a blown-up stomach. Ginger helps the body break down materials faster and stops constipation, 2 things that are very powerful for fighting off that belly fat you don't want. This ingredient will help burn off fat while you sleep. Lemon juice is good for flushing out toxins that have built up in the body. When you drink lemon juice, you will be able to get rid of body fat. You'll also feel a whole lot better because the toxins that have built up in your system will be cleaned out. Another thing that's good for weight loss is Amla and Aloe Vera juice. Amla and Aloe Vera have long been known for their natural medicinal properties inside and outside the body. Both have high antioxidant properties and both are great for the skin and hair. Amla and Aloe Vera juice helps reduce and balance the cholesterol levels of the blood while helping you lose weight. With these simple ingredients, which you can pick up at your grocery store, you can make this weight loss drink in no time. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, a bunch of cilantro or parsley, 1/2 glass of water. Preparation: add the ingredients together, blend them, and drink a glass of the juice before bedtime. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.